Welcome to another Smart Money Concepts video. According to a study done by data scientists, by the last quarter of 2022, 25% of professional jobs in the United States will go fully remote, and the increase in these types of jobs will continue by 2023. Because of this, the wave of workers opting for remote jobs has been on the rise, and who knows, soon enough, every worker in America, if possible in their lines of work, will be working from the comforts of their own homes. Well, truly, remote work is remarkable. It enables you to work without the added stress of the commute and office politics, and it's even easier to look for side hustles now that you have more hours to spare in your own homes. It's not a secret anymore that in order to live comfortably, one must not depend solely on a single full-time job. So, if you're like me who opts to stay at home while earning money, then I'll share with you a list of possible side hustles that you can do at home to generate more income and to further improve your financial stance. But before we start, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more Smart Money Concepts videos. Number 1. Be a virtual assistant. If you have basic knowledge of administrative services and some clerical work, then this is the perfect side hustle for you. A virtual assistant often works from their home office, but they have remote access to the planning tools they need, such as shared calendars and email accounts. Virtual assistants also manage their employer's schedules, provide social media posts and content, book flights and accommodations, and do research. This is one of the most in-demand remote jobs nowadays, especially for entrepreneurs who need someone to assist them in their day-to-day lives. Usually, they are paid by the hour, with the experts in the field earning a wide variety of hourly and per-project fees for their work. There are websites you can visit to find clients who are searching for their own virtual assistants. You may join Upwork or Fiverr, or you may post on different Facebook groups and market yourself. Number 2. Start blogging. This might not be your greatest choice if you need money right away, but blogging can be pretty lucrative if you put in the time and effort to do it. And don't forget, you have to provide your readers with fresh content frequently. Blogging enables you to have your personal brand, and one of the best things about it is that you can write about your interests and hobbies. By creating a blog in a niche that you know well, you can attract and connect to readers who have the same interests and mindset as you. Listen, you can start a blog on beauty, parenting, business and finance, and even food. Name it, and I promise you there's a target audience for it. And did you know that you can also monetize your blogs by adding affiliate links? Doing this will help you earn a commission by marketing the products and services of others. Number 3. Sell products online. Nowadays, seeing stuff online is so common that many people actually earn more money from it than their actual full-time jobs. Because some people don't have the time to go out to buy products, they often resort to purchasing from Amazon, Etsy, or eBay. So in order to make this a positive experience for you and your customers, remember to do your research and create a strategy for your small business. Start by naming your shop. Make the name easy to spot and even easier to pronounce. Listen, busy people often do everything on the go. So Siri and Alexa are really useful for them, especially when they just thought of buying the product while they were, let's say, driving. So it's very important to make the name user-friendly so you won't lose your potential customers. Then, choose where you'd sell your products. Would you want to create your own website, or would you like to use an online marketplace such as Etsy or Amazon? Next, set up your shipping and payment options. It's advisable to put in more payment options than just credit cards. Think digital payments like Google Pay, Apple Pay, and of course, PayPal. As with shipping, you must first calculate shipping costs. I know it's fulfilling to provide free shipping to customers to secure their loyalty, but you must first assess whether or not this will affect your revenue. Last is to, of course, market your shop. Post about it on your social media sites and ask your friends to talk about it on their blogs. Use and maximize your connections because it will surely help you in the long run. And if you don't get traffic to your shop, don't get discouraged and certainly don't give up. Do what professionals do. Purchase online advertising on a variety of platforms. Once your site becomes well known, you can then rely on organic traffic. Want to know more ways to earn money while you're at home? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified whenever Smart Money Concepts posts a new video. Number 4. Be an online tutor. If you have the necessary skills and basically a bachelor's degree, then this will be the easier choice for you. Tutor and teach kids online. The demand for online tutors has significantly increased as more parents hire tutors to keep their children motivated and interested in learning. Online tutoring is expected to continue expanding by 12% per year, starting from 2019 until 2023. Since Zoom classes became the norm due to the pandemic, one-on-one online tutoring gives children a more personal approach to learning, and in return provides to people who love to teach a chance to pursue their passion while earning. Tutoring is also both affordable and flexible. You don't need specialized and costly training to be a tutor, and you can choose your teaching time depending on your availability. Number 5. Start your freelancing journey. I have a friend who used to work in a 9 to 5 job as a corporate employee. She used to tell me that she was overworked and underpaid, and this narrative is so similar to most Americans who work to live, never having the opportunity to live to work. But her life changed when she started to accept some freelance gigs as a writer. Now she has quit her desk job, purchased a 2-bedroom apartment and a car, and focused on marketing herself in a niche that she's so familiar with. I honestly love her success story, and I wish it could be the same for everyone. So, how do you start your journey in the world of freelancing? First, you have to know your service and build your portfolio. Assess your skills and turn it into service. Were you a gifted writer during your college days? Can you easily turn ideas into animated videos? Are you the go-to person of your peers when their websites experience glitches? From there, you can start to build your portfolio and list your experiences related to your offered service. Look for your target market. Know the clients that you would like to have and the industries they belong to. It's very important that you both share a goal and a deeper sense of understanding in the industry you're in. This will help eliminate future worries and misunderstandings. Set the price for your work. Setting your rate could be based on a number of factors, such as your years of experience, duration and complexity of the projects, and urgency of the project. You should also research current rates in the market by looking at your competitors' pricing. Build a good working relationship with your clients. Even though you're not considered an official employee of the clients, it's still important to establish an amicable relationship with them so that if there are future projects that require your expertise, they wouldn't hesitate to work with you again. Freelancing is quite a profitable side gig as you can actually earn about $50 to $2,500 a month. And because you're not tied to anyone, you can get as much freelance work as you need. Just remember to not sacrifice the quality of your work, as taking on too much work may backfire on you. Number 6. Answer online surveys. Nowadays, there are a lot of websites claiming to pay if you answer their questionnaires. So, if you have the extra time to answer a few questions here and there, this sixth side hustle can be an option for you. This doesn't pay as much as the others on the list, but it requires a little effort. Usually, these websites pay about $5 per online survey that take about 20 to 30 minutes of your time. Before you find your niche and start on your freelancing journey, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified whenever Smart Money Concepts posts a new video. Number 7. Social media marketing. Did you know that 40% of consumers depend on social media when they purchase products? It's true. Social media marketing is the future. As more businesses go online, the demand for people who know how to market on various social media platforms is also on the rise. Companies are now expanding their social media departments and are hiring specialists who know how to promote products and services in the online world. Basically, if you are an active user of social media such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube, it wouldn't be hard for you to learn this side hustle. You can earn as much as $5,000 per month as a social media marketer, as long as you generate leads and turn them into actual profits. There are so many ways to do this. Create viral and interesting content, partner with influencers, and produce a well-rounded social media strategy to entice potential customers and clients. This side hustle is one of the most exciting in the field as the social media landscape continues to grow, diversify, and expand. So what are you waiting for? Go practice your social media skills, and I'm sure you'll be an expert in this field in no time. Number 8. Sell information. Much like selling physical products, selling information products can also give you extra income. Of course, you will need to invest time and research to succeed in this side gig, but it would greatly help if you sell information on things you know a lot about. Start to monetize your knowledge through ebooks, paid trainings, and seminars or online courses. This side hustle can give you more or less thousands of dollars every month, depending on your niche, marketing, and target market, of course. But I have a tip for you. Concentrate on a certain niche that proves to be interesting and problematic to some, so they'll consider you an expert in this field and someone who can solve their problems for them. Just think about this. Your content can actually change the lives of people for the better, and you'd get to earn while doing this. Number 9. Become an influencer. Influencer marketing is flourishing these days. It's no longer just used by a small number of firms or advertising agencies, but it has been one of the major marketing strategies used to promote products. More and more brands are using influencers now, so it's fitting to say that being an influencer can earn you tons of money too. But of course, you have to build a solid amount of followers first before you let brands know that you're up for possible collaborations. How to do this though? You have to create specialized and relevant content, and you should be consistent with your efforts. You would want people to see picture-perfect photos of, let's say, food, makeup products, or even hotel accommodations in your feed. Being an influencer has a lot of perks, so you have to make sure that you'd be a good role model to everyone who looks up to you and listens to what you say to maintain a good reputation in the online space. I hope you learned a lot from our video today. Have you chosen your next side hustle? Share it with us in the comments below, and be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons now to make sure that you don't miss our next video.